In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into your templates, or if you can't find it, you can click onto the search bar and proceed to search right here for templates option. So you can find it right here under the message templates, so proceed to click on this. Once you're onto the tab, you can find all of the templates that you have, and you can also create a new one if you want. Choose right here email instead of WhatsApp and click onto this new template. You can either start from scratch or from the template library. Let's start from scratch right here. Then add right here the name of the email. So for example, let's input right here follow up. And then let's also add right here the subject and add right here your description. You also have the option to generate with AI. You can choose the email type, what you're selling, who you're selling to, and describe the communication that you intend for this email. Once you're done, head over and save the template. You can also create templates using the template library, so you can also do that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.